Hey there, artists. Today we're going to learn how to draw a smiling heart. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off with the top of the heart first, which is going to have these two arches, kind of like a wide M, or basically like sideways C shapes. So there's one arch, and I'm going to do another one next to it. My idea is I'm actually going to have the heart look like it's hugging itself, but I'm going to use the negative space to create the arms. You'll see what I mean by negative space in a minute. So I'm going to start off with this line that's going to come across the middle, which is going to form the top of the arm. This is going to form the top of the arm. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5 fingers by adding kind of these sideways U shapes or these sideways skinny U shapes. It'll look like this. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for the pinky. Now I'm going to form the bottom of the arm, and it's going to come back out towards the outside of the heart. So all I did was this wide arch that goes all the way out. So now that I got one arm, I'm going to do the other arm. So I'm going to move on to this side of the heart, and I'm going to draw a big, wide, curved shape. And I'm just like I did the other hand, I'm going to add some fingers. And at the end of this finger, I'm going to draw a shorter curved line that comes back out to the bottom of the heart. So now I'm going to form the bottom of the heart. I'm going to start off on this side of the heart, and I'm going to draw a line that comes straight down. Right about there. And now I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up at an angle, and it's going to try to meet at the end of this line. So now that we have arms, let's add a face. For the heart's face, we're going to do 2 circles for the eyes. And inside those circles, I'm going to do smaller circles for the reflection. And I'm going to go ahead and fill in these parts of the eyes. Real quick, did you know that the size of a human heart is about the size of a clenched fist or 2 hands clasped together? Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. Now in between the eyes, I'm going to find the middle and I'm going to move down a little bit. And this is going to be where the top of the mouth is. And how I'm going to make the top of the mouth is going to be this wide U shape. Now at the end of each side, I'm going to add a little curve. And now what I want to do is do a larger U shape that connects this line and this line. We'll give it a little tongue just by doing a arch like this. Now I want to fill in this spot of the mouth. So right now we have a very simple outline of a smiling heart that's hugging itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a red marker, and before I fill in the heart, I'm going to draw 2 circles. So this one over here, I'm going to do not a circle, but more like a bean shape. And what I want to do is I want to leave these 2 spots white, because they're going to serve as a reflection. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my red marker that I used to make the circles and I'm going to fill in the body. So I'm going to speed this part up. Feel free to pause the video at any point if you need to catch up, and we'll be right back. One thing I did forget is that it's going to have these little rosy cheeks, and how I'm going to do that too is I'm going to do 2 little ovals underneath the eyes. Now I'm going to fill this in with probably like a pink. So I'm not going to color this in with red. I'm going to leave it open and I'll fill it in with pink and I'll be right back. So this is my smiling heart for Valentine's Day. So if you guys want to be a little bit more creative and add some decoration or add different colors, by all means, be creative and enjoy the process. So all I want to say is great job, everyone. And I want to say thank you guys for taking your time and thank you guys for tuning in on these videos. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one. And I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.